In this video, we'll take a look at Pepsico stock. As you know, Pepsico is one of the largest food and beverage companies in the world. By the way, we have added an article about the basics of Pepsico to the blog section on our website recently. There you will find information about the basics of the company, sales analysis, and additional interesting numerical data. The main advantage of the Finscreener website is that you can check all the information by yourself using different methods. Right now, you will see how easy it is to find technical analysis data using Finscreener on the example of PepsiCo. First of all, you need to click on the Technicals section on the main panel. Select Moving Averages from the drop-down menu. The Moving Averages page provides information on the 10 moving averages used by Finscreener.org. The current data for the indicator is displayed, as well as a recommendation to buy, sell, or to stay neutral. In the financial markets, analysts and investors use the SMA indicator to identify buy and sell signals for securities. The SMA helps identify support and resistance prices in order to get signals of where to enter or exit a trade. To display data for a specific stock, enter the name of the ticker in the search field. In this case, we will type the ticker PEP. After that, you can see various data in the table, divided into 5 sections according to the moving average type. It is also possible to select exponential moving averages. Just select the exponential option right above the search box. Let's go back to the Technicals menu and select the Indicators option. The Indicators page provides detailed information on the 12 technical indicators used by Finscreener.org. The current data for the indicator is displayed, as well as a recommendation to buy, sell, or stay neutral. Other technical signals such as oversold or overbought are also displayed when there are no recommendations. As before, enter a ticker in the search box to display the results. The table presents different types of technical indicators such as relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence, or average true range. All of this will help you understand where the stock is in the overall financial picture. For example, RSI is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to assess overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other asset. An asset is usually considered overbought when the RSI is above 70% and oversold when it is below 30%. PepsiCo RSI is 34.24%, which is a buy signal. If you want to know how volatile a stock is, check out the ITR indicator. Average true range is a market volatility indicator used in technical analysis. At the moment, the ITR of PepsiCo is 2.005, which is a good result and shows that the price is quite stable. For example, Coca-Cola has an ITR of 0.707. On the other hand, the ITR of MicroStrategy is 39.19. Now let's move on to another section called Technical Summary. A technical summary is a comprehensive overview of technical indicators and moving averages. So, as you can see, the data is taken from the previous 2 sections, plus the conclusion is drawn. This can be helpful if you are interested in quick results. On the daily time frame, PepsiCo has a strong sell recommendation based on moving averages and a sell recommendation based on technical indicators. As a result, we see a sell signal. What if you are unsure about technical analysis? Finscreener has a useful tool called Backtesting. Backtesting is a way to test the profitability of every method of investing or trading on historical data. Finscreener has been offering backstory testing for the American, OTC and European markets using a variety of methods since 1998. Except of ratios, which are from 2017. Let's select Backtesting in the main panel menu. First of all, we need to enter the name of the ticker in the search box. We can enter just one ticker, or multiple tickers written one by one using a comma, or we can select a set of tickers by filtering out the market cap, sector, industry, and district. In our case, we are going to enter only a ticker PEP. After that, enter the initial capital and transfer the selected data set by clicking the plus button. The selected tickers will be placed in the table at the bottom of the page. The next step is to choose the type of trade, long or short. We are going to test a long trade. Allocate tickers as a pool or individually. Individual testing assigns each ticker the same initial cost of capital, validates criteria, and transacts for each ticker independently of the other. In our case, this is the right way. Next, let's choose a testing period. For example, the last 6 years. The backtesting tool also offers to set stop loss and take profit parameters if you are going to manage your risks. In our case with PepsiCo, this is not necessary now. In the next step, let's choose the strategy we are going to test. There are 2 options. First, use the preset strategy, where you can change the periods on each of them. Or, on the other hand, choose a customized strategy that you can create by yourself. For now, let's choose the first option and select a preset strategy based on simple moving averages. Let's see if the SMA signals are working and if there is an opportunity to make a profit. Into the period, we will use the default value of 20. According to SMA 20, to load the data up, click the play button. That's it. Let's move on to the table at the bottom of the page. As you can see, the various calculations emerge from the simulation of historical trading using SMA 20. This method gave us a net profit of 38.49% of the initial capital. Not bad, but it could be better. Let's take a look at more visualized information about this trade by changing the view data on the graphs. Here you can see a graph with the monthly performance of this trade, correlation and diversification, as well as a full history of open and closed positions and other useful data. All of this can help you to compare the trading or investment strategies and find the best solution.